It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 16th of October. I'm Michael Groff. A small chance of showers around here today, but the big story will be the anomalously cool conditions. High temperatures around 20 degrees below average today. We'll start to see a warm up tomorrow through the rest of the week and into the weekend. More unsettled conditions return here by late Saturday, Sunday, and early next week. Let's talk about it. First, we'll look at the almanac from yesterday. 78 degrees for the high in the valley after the morning low of 64. Yes, once again, we're more than 10 degrees below average. It's been a very nice, cool month. And outside right now, here at 5:35 a.m., we've got scattered clouds in the valley, a few showers further to the east. We begin this day at 61 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 46, humidity 59%. Wind from the east-northeast at 11 miles per hour, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning. How about 46 at Thompson Peak? That's definitely the cool spot. Otherwise, it's in the mid-50s to low 60s for the rest of the valley. Check out the precipitation we've had from this system so far. Not a whole lot. A few hundredths of an inch in the East Valley. Curiously, there's 0.2 of an inch at Salt River and 67th Avenue. But most spots haven't seen anything or just a trace. Radar this morning shows most of the concentration of showers and isolated thunderstorms to the east of us. Gila County getting some of the heaviest precipitation right now. And yes, that's snow on the radar. Look at this, way up toward Flagstaff. They're getting some snow this morning. Elevations above about 6,000, 6,500 feet, seeing some snowflakes flying around. And taking a peek at the upper look across the country, there's our closed low here over the southwest. And that's going to be the focal point for the unsettled weather today and certainly the very cool conditions. Check it out on the watch warning map. Those are winter weather advisories up along the Mogollon Rim, including the Flagstaff area today. Elsewhere across the country, some freeze warnings from the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles north and eastward into sections of Michigan and Ohio as the growing season is ending there. Flood and flash flood watches, a few flash flood warnings in parts of Texas where they've been hammered by very heavy rain the last few days, and dense fog advisories in parts of the Gulf Coast. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the contiguous United States. And precipitation valid through next Tuesday morning coming from the WPC. How about absolutely nothing here in the valley? Been a while since we've said that. With heavier totals, of course, up across northern and eastern Arizona, this is liquid equivalent precipitation. So, some of that will be coming down in the form of snow. Let's get into the details of our weather now. To do that, we'll take a look at the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at about 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. There's our closed low spinning here over Arizona. It's going to be gradually lifting north today, and as it does, we'll be on the southern end of it, so we'll start to dry out. Down at the surface, partly sunny skies, a slight chance of showers through at least midday today. Even if we see any rain, it's going to be on the light side. Highs this afternoon, though, upper 60s to near 70. Yeah, about 20 degrees below average. Tonight, partly cloudy skies. Any rain or snow will be confined to northern and eastern Arizona. Lows tonight mostly in the 50s, and then tomorrow, mostly sunny and a bit warmer. Highs low to mid 70s. Thursday will continue the warming trend as the low lifts out. Highs in the upper 70s and low 80s. On Friday, the guidance coming in with highs in the low and mid 80s. Saturday, as we get into the weekend, looks like high temperatures are going to be in the mid and maybe upper 80s, but we do have another closed low forming off the Southern California coast. The flow aloft turns southerly. Moisture starts to pick up again. Chance of showers and storms could come in here as early as late Saturday afternoon or Saturday evening. And then on Sunday, better chances of precipitation come in here. Still looks a little bit uncertain because, well, it's a closed low and it's several days out, and these things have shown a tendency to be pretty tricky to forecast, of course. But we'll at least call for a 30% chance of showers and storms in here Sunday and into Monday, too. Highs cooling off a bit back to the upper 70s and low 80s. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 23rd. Still have an open wave here over the southwest, so unsettled conditions continue with at least a small chance of showers and thunderstorms and highs remaining below average. Here's Wednesday, the 24th. We'll start to dry out at this point, and then we go to the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Thursday, the 25th. That's a 588 ridge building off the southwest coast. Looks like we dry out with west and northwesterly flow aloft. And high temperatures back into the normal range, at least low to mid 80s, maybe even a little bit warmer than that for the hottest deserts. Taking a look at the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble, and I don't even know if we're going to make it to 70 degrees today. It's going to be close. Then we'll warm it up through the rest of the week and into the weekend. No big heat waves coming our way, but temperatures should gradually return back to mid and late October normal levels around here. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, suggestions, always encouraged as well. Be safe out there and have yourselves a glorious Tuesday.